Still a really big piece in there. Okay, we'll get this one off too.
Now, when you cook a chicken that has no bones in it, does it cook faster or slower?
It might be slower.
It's slower because all the meat is compressed together?
Yeah, more solid because you don't have the cavity open inside.
Oh, okay. So you
Aren't you
might
going to
have
save those bones?
Oh, I'm gonna put it in there.
you might have to allow a little extra time then for like if you were gonna bone a turkey and then barbecue it, you might want to cook it a little longer in the barbecue then, right? Or
Yeah.
okay, so then all you do is you turn it inside out. I mean right side out. And those are the wings that you're...
Supposed to pop right out.
And how did you learn how to do this?
Just
Figured it out?
just you know, as long as you know
Where everything's attached?
The anatomy of the chicken.
They're all the same. The human.
Yeah. Becky even.
Human and.
She equates human anatomy almost with this.
Yeah, it's. Well, they all have the shoulder blade. They have the arms as the wings as the arms.
So now you have, that is completely bone free.
Yeah.
There's no bones in there at all.
Yeah. See this? See which way was
So
it?
now if you're going to roast that in a pan in the oven, what would you spread it flat like?
Then you're gonna stuff some stuff in there. You're gonna roast it.
That would be good.
You could do that. But if you were just going to roast a chicken like that, you could either stuff it, or would you just lay it flat like that and roast it?
Yeah.
I wouldn't roast it though.
So if you were going to put that in a barbecue,
You just lay it flat.
you just lay it flat.
Yeah.
Seems like it would cook faster.
Yeah. This way here. No, I wouldn't know because I mean, if you had a chicken like that, it would have been faster because it's all the way around.
And it's open.
Heat on this side. But it still won't take very much longer because it's not that much thicker.
So if you, is the thighs still going to be the last one to be done when you cook this?
Yeah, it should be because that would be the thickest part.
Yeah.
The quickest part would be this, always.
What's that in the white meat?
Yeah. So
Your
that
turn.
actually it's this part here and always the dark meat. That part there is the thickest part. That would be.
Okay.
But you're gonna barbecue it, or you're gonna stuff it, and people put stuff inside of there.
So if you were going to barbecue it, would you flip the wings up on the body?
That would be a better idea.
And flip them up there and leave the legs out like that. So flip the wings up. Okay.
It would.
Then when you serve it, you just slice it.
Yeah, when it's sliced, you just
Slice
when you
it
serve
across.
you just cut it across here, and then you slice it that way. You know, like that, and like this, and then like that, and you in chunks. You can just go like that.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Okay, that's pretty nice.
You need a plate?
Yeah, you can put them in.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the tape now.